Hi and welcome to Steam Powered Family. Today we're doing a Magic Rollback Can experiment. This is a physics experiment and makes a really fun little DIY toy for the kids to play with and learn. We're going to gather up our supplies, most of which can be found in your recycle bin and your tinker kits. We're going to grab a can. Now you want a metal can or a hard plastic can that has a removable plastic lid. We're not talking about tin soup cans here. Now we're going to find the middle of the lid and we're going to use a hammer and either a nail or an awl to make a hole in the center of the lid. So there we go. We're just going to make it a little bigger here. Perfect. Now this is a really quick experiment, perfect for doing in the classroom and for teaching basic physics concepts to your students. We're going to measure the bottom of our can now. So we're going to go across one way, turn it 90 degrees, and then go the other way just to get the dead center of the can. And now we're going to again make a hole in the middle of the can. So both ends are going to have a nice little hole there. And you want it just big enough that a rubber band can fit through. Now we're going to grab like a C-cell battery, a 9-volt can work too, a rubber band, and some paper clips. We're also going to grab a piece of crafting wire and make a little hook out of it. Now, using some duct tape, cut off about 9 centimeters worth and then cut it through the middle so it's a little smaller. You can split that between two groups. Now, I know I'm a little off camera here, so I've just brought it up to the top so you can see what's going on. And we're just going to tape that rubber band onto our battery. There we go. So we've got two little tails, one off either side. There's our little hook that we made just out of some crafting wire. And we're going to use that hook to fish the rubber band through those holes that we made. So we're going to hook onto one side like this. Just get it on the rubber band there. There we go. And then we're just going to pull it through that hole. There we go, like that. And then grab one of those paper clips, put it onto the rubber band, secure it in place, and then that's going to hold the rubber band in place. There we go, it's nice and centered. Now we're going to do the same for the other side with the lid. So push that hook through the hole, grab the other end of that rubber band, and hook it on there, and then just pull that through and put the lid in place. And then once again, add a paper clip just to secure it. And there we go. And it's now ready to go. You can decorate your can, but now we're just going to roll it away and it's going to come back just like a boomerang. To read more about the science of this experiment, visit steampoweredfamily.com. Plus you can get worksheets. Bye for now.